Hello everyone, I hope you are all well and safe with everything going on right now in this world. It's a different world and it's a scary world right now. We've had a couple of very bad storms in February that did a lot of damage, but it also feels like this is nature's way to prepare for the next season. With the beginning of March, the weather changed. There were a few foggy days, very mythical and quiet, and on those days, the time seemed to stand still. And now we have these wonderful blue skies and warm sun rays on our skin. And if you look around, you see all these tiny flowers and tiny green leaves, and nature definitely wants to wake up. The other day on my way to the boggy area of the town I live in, I saw this large flock of sheep with 3 herding dogs. At first I didn't see the dogs because they blend in so perfectly with the sheep. But as soon as you start talking, the dogs will come and bark at you and protect the sheep. All this seemed so wonderful, natural. I just stood there and watched the sheep. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and everyone please stay safe, and I will see you next time. Bye.